pull, twist, knot up the stress. Whole little world growing from this mess.
In this video, I'm going to use a fisherman's knot to connect the blue strand on the top to the pink strand on the bottom. Start by having the two strands of yarn parallel to each other, coming in from opposite sides. Then you'll start by placing the blue strand, the top one, over the bottom one, the pink one. Then loop the blue one underneath the pink one. And then loop the blue one underneath itself. So you have this little teardrop shape. And then take that end of that blue yarn and make a knot. Now that you have your knot formed, you're going to pull on the two ends to tighten it up a bit. Next, take the pink strand on the bottom and lay it over the blue strand on the top. Next, loop the pink strand underneath the blue strand and then underneath the pink strand. So you got a teardrop going in the opposite direction. And then tie a knot on the pink side. Next, tighten up the knots on both sides. Make sure they're as tight as you can get them so that they're nice and small. So now you have your two knots nice and as tight as you can get them. So next you're going to take the two outer strands and you're going to pull them away from each other while the knots move towards each other until they meet in the middle. And that is your fisherman's knot. And it's very secure. You can tug the ends and feel how secure it is. So you can snip the little tails right at the knot. And just go ahead, give it a tug. It is very secure. There's your fisherman's knot.
Blanket on the floor, half-made scarf. Coffee gone cold, still